You know, abansi kami 7 ang attack, 4-3 ang kalaban, 4-1. Sana manalo to kasi maraming cheating dun.
Well, the weather forecasters promised us an agreeable day for football, and that's exactly what we've got. My name is Derek Ray, and my commentary partner, as usual, is Stuart Robson. And we can't wait for this one to start with justifiable goals. It's Oxford United taking on Real Madrid.
Kamustahin natin sila, kamustahin.
Scene is set, two good teams, great playing surface, and a vibrant atmosphere. Has all the ingredients for a really exciting game.
Uy! Defense lang. Yan. Defense lang, sige. Grabing lag ah. Palmer, sige, pasok mo. Gawin mo. Huwag mo pabigyan. Bantay lang. Sige, wow. Bantay mo, huwag mo pabigyan. Ay, tragis. Sige lang. Puntos lang. Babawi. Tumba yung hero ko isa. Son. Palmer, pasok, Son. Dito, pasok mo yun, no. Kay Kaka. Ay, Robinson. Sige, baka mo. Tira. Kaka. Yun, Kaka. Yan, mga ganyan. Mga moves. Ayan, o. Yan. Moves. Dapat ganyan. Defense lang. Mabansi tayo. Huwag yan. Gawin mo. Yan. Yes. Dinuban. Kaka. Ay, putra gising na agaw ni Kaka. Sige lang yan. Sige. Yun! Sarapis! Idol! Yan ang idol ko. Yan. Naka-level 107 yan.
Well, as you can see, he hits this with so much power. Just look at the follow-through. So athletic. That's a dynamic strike.
Upgrade lang yan. Upgrade. Para lalong lumakas. Defense lang.
Intriguing contest this, given the 2-1
score. Dipinsa lang. Huwag pasukin. Diyan mo, gawin mo. Yun. Dipinsa lang, boss. Yan. Huwag mo i-draw. Bantay. Yan. Sige, kalma lang. Dunuban, dandaan lang. Para makarang tayo. Yan. Sige, Hernandez. Putragis.
No nonsense clearance.
Alanganin.
That is that for the first half here.
Yan. Malupit. Kalma lang.
Well, it is advantage Real after the first 45 minutes, but there's a long way from being settled.
Dandaan lang. Huwag pasok. Sige. Palmer. Huwag nyo i-draw. Bantay nyo. Defense lang. Defensa lang. Yan. Sige, pasa sa goalkeeper. Lang. Abansi tayo isa. Defensa lang. Bantayan. Uy, putragis pumuntos. Gagi. Draw pa. Dapat kalma lang. Cheating yata ang kalaban na to. Naku.
So underway again at 2-2.
Lapit na
Beckham.
Pinsa lang. Huwag kang mamadaliin. Gigi. Huwag mo pagaw. Pagaw ka. Ay, karma lang kahit. Ay. Substitution ng kalaban. Tatlo ah. Okay.
Sardes. Opportunity here.
Yun! Pasok. Naman dapat mga ganyan. Yan, dapat mga ganyan. Perfect, perfect. Ayun o, ilang bantay o. Yan, pasok, Palmer. Yan, mga ganun. Bansi tayo dalawa. Ay, isa. Wag mo draw, Bantay lang. Gawin nyo lang. Bantay lang, defense ha. Ayun o, sa situation tayo. Uberto sa atin yan. Huwag mo pasukin, bantay. Bantayin nyo. Huwag mo pasukin. Bakante, yun. Uy, putangis. Tayo dyan. Lakas ng kalaban ah.
This is a brilliant strike.
Defense lang.
It's so much power.
Tayo dyan.
Fantastic finish.
Oh? Defense.
Substitution for Real Madrid.
Isang puntos na lang oh. Huwag bitaw, isang puntos na lang. May baka mag-draw pa yan. Kalma lang. Huwag na balik. Sige, pasok nun. Yan, sige, pasok. Yan! Idol! Akyat naman tayo sa rang. Yun, panalo. Abot ng oras. Ayun.
Just begging someone to get on the end of it while the movement in the box is equal to it. It's such good timing. What a goal.
Luis Figo. And the referee says that will do it. It's the end of the game and it's a victory for Real Madrid. Their fans are going to be happy with this.
Well done.
Good job.
By any means today, but overall they had the better of the chances and just about deserved their win.
Oh, taas ng bawas na rito. Paano ko ng mga word? Pala ako. Bagak lang lang po. Sa